I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Facebook page has been suspended, don't worry. You can take steps to recover it. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Review the suspension notice. Check your email or Facebook notifications for the reason your page was suspended. Understanding the violation will help you address it effectively. Step 2. Gather required information. Collect any necessary information that Facebook may require for the appeal process, such as your page name, URL, and any relevant documentation. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Monitor your email. After submitting your appeal, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Facebook. Be patient, as it may take a few days for them to respond. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't hear back within a week, consider following up through the help center or the support channels. Persistence can sometimes pay off. Remember, recovering a suspended page can take time, so don't get discouraged. Good luck.